What's up YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Today I cooked some brown stew beef for you guys, so stay tuned. So here I have the beef nicely washed and clean. To season it I use some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some pimento seeds. For ground season I chopped up some onions, scallion and thyme, garlic, hot scotch bonnet pepper, some Irish potatoes and some carrots. And I also add some brown into it. I rub it in and then I allow it to marinate for at least an hour. Okay, so after the hour I went ahead and started cooking it, but the first thing I did was burn a garlic in the oil just to flavor it a bit. Then I add the stewed beef. Allow it to pot cook for a while, then I stir it up and allow it to pot cook for a little bit more. Then I went in with an adequate amount of water to help to tenderize the meat. Based on what you're using, it will take a shorter time or a longer time to cook. So if you are using the pressure cooker, it will take about 30 to 40 minutes, but if you're just cooking it on with the normal pot, it will take about an hour or so. So it took me about an hour before it was fully tenderized. Then I add some ketchup to help thicken the stew. And this is it when it was finished, looking yummy and gummy and delicious as expected. I served it with some rice, nothing fancy. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.